Ooh, today we had an absolute classic. It was a full house. Every single drain was blocked. We had roots, everything in there. We were using today ground penetrating radar, CCTV drain camera by Rigid SR20, plenty of dye and some levers. This is the kit we needed to map out all the drains and see what was going on. What you're going to find is damp. Now when you see damp looking at rising to this height, alright, it was Carlite bonding. This will be on another video. It's very absorbent, but all of this property was damp all the way around. It had bridging of damp proof course. But what you've got to think of, you've got to keep things very, very simple. You could have a property and it's had a bridging issues for 50, 60 years. But when you start seeing problems, you could pretty much bet your bottom dollar is soakaways or drains. It is the #1 cause of rising damp. They need to be investigated. Unfortunately, when a lot of people buy a property, the chartered surveyor will recommend a drain survey. They don't usually get it done. That is just how it is. And obviously, when people recommend, damp specialists recommend a drain survey, some of the homeowners don't get it done because of the additional cost. Look at this here. I put my hand through the cavity. This is green sand and that is blown fibre insulation. It is absolutely soaking wet. Floor joists are rotten. Floor plates are rotten. Common furniture beetles just running around eating everything. It's no surprise. The building is absolutely saturated.
Today, another damp survey and we've got a full house. Ramo completely blocked. Green sand. Look at it. I lifted him a minute, but look, full of water. Ramo, full house. You can see he's leaking from the joint. He's blocked at the bottom, very slowly draining. And we've got a downpipe going into a French drain. You couldn't make it up. See, look, he's hiding in there amongst the green sand. And then we come down here, one of the most typical defects you'll ever see. All running down the back of the gully, and you see down there it just gets absolutely soaking wet. All down there, so it just saturates the wall. And another part of the drainage system, shall we say, if you want to call it that, is the French drain against the building. Oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Like I said, we've got a full house. Hit a root, wasn't he? Hit a root, wasn't he? Nice big slug. A few slugs down there. You just see, broke the seal. And he's running now. As you can just see, this was all blocked up early on. You can now see I've got the hose running in there, and it's actually running over now. There was no water in there before. It's taken about 25 minutes to get the water through.
Right, I hope you guys have realised it is imperative to have a thorough survey, which includes the drains, because that is the #1 cause of rising damp. Like I said about this one, you couldn't make it up. The downpipe going into the French drain. There will be a video I'm going to upload about the French drains and all about the lime plastering inside. So thanks for watching, and we will see you soon on the next one.